Good morning, 506 side-by-side and ATV group. Here we are back with the fourth video today for my RotoKAP. Today's video is going to be just a little bit of the RotoKAP in use and in action out on the trails. We're going to be meeting up with Mitch a little bit later, and we're going to be driving around Nova Scotia possibly if we can. So right now we're just going to throw a few things in the back, get it all loaded up, and hit the trail. For full disclosure, this cap was sent to us from Horizon Poly Products. Once again, it's the RotoKAP. In exchange for content creation and review. Okay, so as you can see, we got it loaded up with a few things ready for the trip today. Cooler, the barbecue in there, some other stuff, and there's still lots of room in there for more storage. And then up top here, you can see the flask I was talking about in one of the earlier videos with a couple of D-rings. It's a great spot. I got my jerry can right here right now, all strapped down. It's not going to go anywhere. It's another excellent feature to this. As of right now, it seems like a very excellent product. I'm very satisfied with this. And we'll see you out on the trails. All right, here we are at a stop. I think we'll empty some stuff out, have a little barbecue here. So let's see how it fared. All right, get this up. See how it is. As you can see, we got lots of stuff in here. Lots of room for storage with the cap on. Get our cooler out first. As you can see right now, everything is dry. Barbecue. And we'll grab a bit of wood in case we want to have a fire. So as you can see, it's pretty dry in there. The cap does an excellent job of keeping everything dry and secure. got back from a little 7-hour jaunt around Nova Scotia. Let's take a look and see how it turned out. You can see a little bit of snow on the back here, so we'll open her up and see how the inside looks. Get a little stuff in there. So as you can see, the inside is as clean and dry as when we left. I was hoping to be able to get the bike outside and give it a little spray off, clean up a little bit, and see how the cap holds up against water resistant. However, I was unable to because my hose lines here in the garage are frozen. It's been quite cold here in Eastern Canada lately, so that will have to wait for a later time. So stay tuned for the 5th video. That will be more of just a review video. Once again, I'd like to thank RotoKAP and Horizon Poly Products for sending us this excellent cap. If you'd like to get one for your bike, they manufacture them for various different Rangers and CF Motos and Can-Ams as well. If you'd like to get one, you can visit rotokap.com if you happen to be watching from the US. If you're in Canada, you can get one by visiting LJ Patterson Sales and Service here in Eastern Canada or utvcanada.com. If you like these videos, hit the like button. It helps out the channel. And if you're not a subscriber to 506 Side-by-Side and ATV, hit the subscribe button to be notified of future videos like these or ride videos throughout their provinces. Thanks for watching.